If your kitchen feels flat, dated, or missing that custom designer touch, wainscoting might be the upgrade you've been looking for. I'm Brad Smith, and with over 15 years of experience transforming homes, I've seen how the right wall treatment can completely change a space. In this countdown, we're revealing 10 wainscoting kitchen ideas that add texture, charm, and timeless style. So stay with us and see which design lands at number 1. At number 10, I'm starting with wainscoting under kitchen cabinets because it's more of a subtle detail than a full design statement. That said, it's a smart way to add structure, hide wall wear, and make basic cabinetry feel more custom without overwhelming a small kitchen. Number 9 is painted sage wainscoting in a cottage kitchen. I love it for personality, but it ranks lower because color alone doesn't transform the room as much as the structure itself. Still, sage adds warmth, softness, and that calm, collected feel that makes a kitchen instantly more inviting. At number 8, farmhouse beadboard on a kitchen island front earns its spot because it's a strong focal point without changing the entire room. Beadboard brings familiar texture and a handcrafted feel, and on an island, it helps the center of the kitchen look more grounded and finished. Number 7 is modern slat wainscoting, and this one stands out because it brings a fresh, architectural rhythm to a kitchen. It's cleaner and more contemporary than traditional paneling, which is why it works so well when you want texture without the farmhouse look. Picture frame wainscoting in a kitchen dining nook lands at number 6 because it adds elegance and definition right where the family actually gathers. It creates a framed, tailored look that makes a nook feel intentional, almost like a built-in feature instead of just an extra corner. At number 5, two-tone wainscoting kitchen walls are a favorite because they instantly change the room's proportions. By separating the wall into two finishes, you can make ceilings feel taller, add contrast, and bring in color in a way that feels designer-approved and balanced. Number 4 is board and batten kitchen wainscoting because it adds bold structure with very little visual clutter. The vertical lines draw the eye upward, which is great in kitchens that need a little height and polish. It's a versatile choice that works in modern, farmhouse, and transitional spaces. Shiplap behind the kitchen sink comes in at number 3 because it creates instant texture in one of the most visible spots in the room. It also gives the backsplash area a relaxed, layered look that feels custom, especially when paired with simple fixtures and clean finishes. Classic beadboard kitchen walls rank at number 2 because they're one of the easiest ways to make a kitchen feel timeless and finished. Beadboard adds fine vertical texture that softens hard surfaces, and that subtle detail can make even a simple kitchen feel warmer, brighter, and more welcoming. At number 1, tall wainscoting on a kitchen banquette wall wins because it does the most to transform the whole space. It creates a built-in, custom feel, adds vertical drama, and makes the dining area feel anchored and intentional. If you want one wainscoting upgrade with the biggest impact, this is it. From classic beadboard to more refined raised panel looks, the best wainscoting ideas bring structure, warmth, and personality to the kitchen. If you found inspiration here, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more design ideas, and visit omnihomeideas.com for more resources from Brad Smith and the Omni Home Ideas team. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next transformation.